Hey guys, I'm just going to show you this real quick. Some ancient flight control SP Racing F3. It's brand new, just out of the box. This is running clean fly inside. So what I'm going to do is install I'm going to flash it with some newer firmware. In this case, I'm using Emuflight 0.3.5. So it is hard to flash it with new firmware because this is very old technology, but I find the way is easier. Just plug it in with USB cable, and you don't need to do some bootloader. You don't need to connect the bootloader wire. You just leave it like this, and what you're gonna do is just go to update firmware, choose SP Racing F3. This is the only version that they have in 0.3.5. so there is only one option. You choose that one and choose load firmware and flash it without bootloader. Flash it. Flashing now. This will be stuck on the middle. Just wait. Like that. STM32 timeout, program fail. That's it. Now just unplug it and plug it back in. No bootloader, no nothing. Back in and just connect it. There you go. Flash it with new Emuflight firmware. That's how you flash it SP Racing F3 with Emuflight 0.3.5, and this is working very well for me and very cheap. This is like $8 piece. Very worth it. Thank you.